Spider-Man has fought Green Goblin, Venom, Doctor Octopus, villains who tried to kill him, break him, or destroy his life. But in 1987, one man did something no one else had ever done. He hunted Spider-Man like an animal, defeated him completely, and even buried him alive. This is the haunting story of Kraven's Last Hunt, the darkest Spider-Man tale ever told. The story begins in the Amazing Spider-Man hashtag 293 and runs across all three Spider-Man titles all the time. Kraven the Hunter, a long-time enemy of Spider-Man, feels his life has no meaning. He is grown older and his many defeats at Spider-Man's hands have crushed his pride. To Kraven, Spider-Man is not just an enemy, he is the ultimate prey. And now, Kraven is determined to prove himself once and for all. Not just by killing Spider-Man, but by becoming him. Kraven stalks Spider-Man through the city. He prepares carefully, studying his every move. And then, one rainy night, he finally makes his move. Armed with a rifle, Kraven ambushes Spider-Man. He shoots him with a tranquilizer dart, and before Peter can react, he collapses. Spider-Man is helpless. Kraven takes his unconscious body, lifts him high, and declares victory. For years, he has been humiliated, but now finally the hunt is over. And in one of the most shocking moments in the Marvel history, Kraven buries Spider-Man alive. With Spider-Man gone, Kraven does not celebrate. Instead, he puts on the mask himself. Dressed as Spider-Man, Kraven roams the city, but his version of Spider-Man is brutal. He does not hold back his punches. Criminals are beaten nearly to death. Kraven even faces off against Vermin, a terrifying rat-like villain that Spider-Man himself must struggle to defeat. But Kraven wins easily. By doing this, Kraven proves, at least to himself, that he is stronger, faster, and better than Spider-Man ever was. In his mind, he has surpassed the Spider. But Peter Parker is not so easily broken. Buried deep beneath the earth, Peter drifts in and out of consciousness. He hallucinates, seeing visions of death, of a giant spider, of all the people he has failed and lost. But deep inside, his willpower never breaks. He remembers Uncle Ben. He remembers Gwen. He remembers Mary Jane. And with every ounce of strength, Peter Parker claws his way out of the grave. Mud, dirt, and darkness surround him. But he refuses to die. At last, he bursts through the ground alive. Spider-Man has returned. Peter confronts Kraven, ready to fight. But to his shock, Kraven does not resist. Kraven calmly admits that he has already proven his point. He defeated Spider-Man, buried him, and then became him, even surpassing him in battle. But Kraven also reveals something surprising. He does not hate Spider-Man anymore. In fact, he respects him. To Kraven, the hunt is finally over. Instead of fighting, Kraven realizes Vermin leaving Spider-Man to capture him as proof that Peter is still the true hero. Kraven's story ends in tragedy, with his pride restored and his hunt complete. Kraven takes his own life, leaving behind a note declaring that Spider-Man is his superior. Kraven's Last Hunt shocked readers. It was darker, more mature, and more psychological than any Spider-Man story before it. It showed us that Spider-Man is not just a hero because of his powers, but because of his compassion, his restraint, and his refusal to give up, even when buried alive. So, what do you think? Should Marvel adapt Kraven's Last Hunt into live action, Or is this story too dark for the MCU? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Spider-Man breakdowns every day. Until then, see you soon.